Now we shall talk about the common functions. AUTOSUM. The AUTOSUM option, besides being the common and the fastest way to find out the total of the given numbers in a range, can also be used to carry out different functions like average, count, maximum, minimum, etc. You can find this option at two places: in the editing group on the Home tab, in the function library group on the Formula tab. Let us use this feature to calculate the total of the marks obtained by Anuj. Click on the cell E6 where you want to place the total of the marks. Click on the AUTOSUM option present in the editing group on the Home tab. A dash border appears around C6 through D6 and Excel automatically enters the formula that uses the sum function in the cell E6. Now press enter. The cell E6 will display the result. Let me share an interesting fact with you. To get the total of adjacent cells, press Alt plus equal key combination instead of clicking the AUTOSUM button. The common functions like sum, average, count numbers, maximum, minimum can be used using drop-down arrow of AUTOSUM button. To use other functions, click on More Functions option. Average. The average function returns the average of range values. The arguments can be a range of cells, simply numbers or numbers along with the cell references. Using the worksheet shown in figure, let us calculate the average of marks obtained by Anuj. Click on the cell where you want to place the average of values, let us say F6. Type equal to sign followed by the name of the function, that is average. Put the opening parenthesis symbol. Select the cell C6 through D6 to define the range of the cells. Put the closing parenthesis symbol and press the enter key. The cell F6 will display the average of marks obtained by Anuj. Maximum. It is used to find the largest value in the given range. Click on the cell F4 and type maximum B4 is to E4 and press the enter key. The maximum value in the range B4 is to E4 will be displayed in the cell F4. Similarly, minimum and count function can be applied to a range of cells. Students, note the above mentioned functions are available in Excel 2013 also. Let me give you a tip. We can also carry out the above functions using the AUTOSUM feature. To do so, select the cell wherein you want to display the output of the functions. Click on the drop-down arrow of the AUTOSUM option and choose the desired function from the displayed list. Another amazing way to perform quick calculation is to use Quick Analysis tool. It helps you to implement functions such as sum, average, count, etc. To use this tool, select the range of cells on which you want to apply the function. Click the Quick Analysis button present at the bottom right corner of the selection. Select totals from the displayed list of the tools and choose the desired function. Today. It is used to display the current date. Type equal to today main in the cell and press the enter key. The today main function will display the current date in the selected cell. Students, let me share some interesting shortcut tips with you. Similarly, you can insert the current day, month and year in a cell to display the values in number form. For month, month today. For year, year today. For day, day today. To display the values in text form. For month, text today. Double quoted double quote close. For day, text today, comma, double quoted, DD, double quote close. For year, text today, comma, double quoted, YYYY, double quote close. 1. Sum range gives the sum of a range. Number 2. Average, range. Finds the average of a range. Number 3. Odd number. Returns the number rounded up to the nearest odd integer. Number 4. INT number. Rounds a number to the nearest integer. Number 5. Product range. Multiplies the values in a range of cells. Number 6. Round number. Number underscore digit. Rounds a number to the specified digits. Number 7. EXP number. Returns natural algorithm raised to the power of a number. Number 8. SQRT number. Returns a square root. Number 9. Power number. Power. Returns the result of a number raised to some power. Number 10. Mod number. Divisor. Returns the remainder after a number is divided by the divisor. Let us now talk about the function library. There are many functions defined in Excel, and it is beyond the capacity of a person to remember the name and functionality of each one of them. To overcome it, Excel has clubbed all the functions in the Function Library group of Formulas tab. Here the worksheet functions are categorized by their functionality, like math and trig, text, date and time, etc. You can click a category to browse its functions. Let us discuss two common functions in the math and trig category, LCM and GCD. LCM. This function returns the least common multiple of integers. The least common multiple is the smallest positive integer that is a multiple of all the numbers supplied as arguments. Let us use this function. Open a new worksheet. Enter 3 integers in cells A1, A2 and A3. Now select the cell A4 where the LCM of these numbers will be displayed. Click on the Math and Trig drop-down button in the Function Library on the Formulas tab and choose LCM from the displayed list of options. The Function Arguments dialog box appears. Type the cell address in the respective text boxes, that is A1, A2, A3 in the number 1, number 2 and number 3 text boxes respectively. Note that the result of the formula appears near the bottom of the dialog box. Click OK. The output will appear in the cell A4. GCD. This function calculates the greatest common divisor or highest common factor of 2 or more integers. The greatest common divisor is the largest positive integer that divides the numbers without a remainder. Let us calculate GCD of 3 numbers. Enter 3 integers in cells A1, A2 and A3. Now select the cell A4 where the GCD of these numbers will be displayed. Click on the Math and Trig drop-down button in the Function Library on the Formulas tab and choose GCD from the displayed list of options. The Function Arguments dialog box appears. Type A1, A2 and A3 in number 1, number 2 and number 3 text boxes respectively. Observe that the result of the formula appears near the bottom of the dialog box. Click OK. The output will appear in the cell A4.